Thank you for tuning in. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you a best guaranteed strategy that you can use to make money with futures trading or derivatives trading. So I get this question a lot. People ask me, what are futures trading or derivatives? Well, these are contracts between two investors who bet on a currency's future price. So for example, if I bet that tomorrow the price of Bitcoin is going to be 10,000 and then you bet that the price of Bitcoin tomorrow is going to be 5,000. So if the price of Bitcoin goes to 10K, I'm going to make money because my prediction was right, and you're going to lose money because your prediction was wrong. So in this video, I'm going to show you a best strategy that you can use, and this strategy is going to help you to predict the price of Bitcoin or any other coins in the future, because this strategy works in real time and is very profitable, and I guarantee you that you're going to be making money with this strategy, trading derivatives or futures trading. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so right now we're on Bybit Crypto Exchange, and this is an exchange that I use to trade derivatives. And if you don't have an account, I recommend that you create one. The link is going to be in the description below. And as you can see right here, I've got open position that I entered yesterday, and right now as I'm recording this video, this position is sitting at least 168% in pure profit right here trading on Bybit. So I want to show you the reason why I entered this long position and how exactly I knew that the market might go up, and there's high chance of me making a lot of money if I open a position right now. So looking at the Bybit chart right here, you can see that yesterday I placed like two orders right here. I entered a trade right here, and then entered again a trade right there, because this B right here represents a buying order. Okay, so I'm just gonna make myself small a little bit right here so you can see pretty much anything that I'm just recording right now. But like you can see clearly that yesterday I entered exactly at 26,950 US dollars, and right now as I'm recording this video, Bitcoin is being traded at 28,432. right? So the reason why I entered right here is because I use tools like Heavy Crypto Indicator and Heavy Crypto Pro plus Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicator. So if you want to know more about these indicators, I made a full video tutorial on this channel explaining about these indicators, and I'll leave the link in the description below, or you can click at the end of this video if you want to know more about these indicators in detail. But I'm going to explain to you why I entered the trade and how exactly these tools are very profitable, and how exactly I make money every day. So as you can see, our Heavy Crypto Indicator simply has upper momentum and downward momentum, and these red and green signals. These green signals indicate that the price is more likely to go up, and these red signals indicate that the price is more likely to go down. All right, so there's difference between upper momentum and downward momentum. Just like right here, as you can see, when there's a green dot, the price goes up, just like what happened right here, and when there's a red dot, the price goes down. And this is the reason why I always use Heavy Crypto Indicator, because it tells me what's going to happen in the market before the move happen. All right, so other than that, let's go to Heavy Crypto Indicator, which is the main indicator, and this is my main tool that I use to scalp and snipe all these trades. Okay, all right guys, so zooming out right here, you can see that I entered exactly right here at this price, right? Because we entered at 26,900, and it was somewhere else around here just before I got a signal. So I got a signal from Heavy Crypto Indicator that it's time to buy, and the market is more likely to go up. And if I go back to our trade right here, because I took this trade just for the sake of this video and to show you guys how this Heavy Crypto Indicator is going to help you. So as you can see, we entered right here exactly at the price of 26,900, and that's where exactly I got a signal from Heavy Crypto Indicator right here, as you can see. So yeah, right here exactly when I received the signal that it's time to buy, and the market is going up, and the market is going to go up, that's when I took a long position. And as I'm recording right now, you can see that the market really moved to the upside, at least 5% to the upside, and we have made at least 163% from our trade, which is very, very good. So other than that, we make use of Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicator, which gives me signals of what's going to happen in the future and stuff like that, and is really, really helpful. I recommend you that you should use it and all that good stuff. And other than that, you also get this Heavy Crypto, which simply gives you buying and selling signals every time. Okay, so as you can see, heavy crypto indicator has this red line right here. I explained this to a lot of people that this red line right here indicates that the price is going down, and this green line right here indicates that the price is going up. Okay, so this is the difference. So as I'm recording this video right now, you can see that we are in an uptrend. That's why I didn't close this position, and we are still printing money right now, and right now it's sitting at 370 US dollars in profit, and I only put like 200 US dollar in profit. So using these tools, you're gonna be able to print a lot of money on derivatives, and you can also use these tools on spot trading. For those who don't know what spot trading is simply buying and selling crypto assets like Bitcoin and all that stuff. You just have to buy low and then you sell high. You can use these indicators on any crypto exchange like Luno, Binance, and all other major crypto exchanges as well, because all you have to do is to set an alert and receive a signal when it's time to buy and when it's time to sell. So the other thing I recommend you guys to use these tools is because you don't have to draw trend lines and all the technical analysis, because these tools gonna give you the overall of what's happening in the market. Okay, so if you don't know how to draw this stuff, make sure that you take advantage of these tools, because it's gonna do all the technical analysis for you and give you overall summary or give you overall signal of what's gonna happen in the future. So this is the reason why I recommend anyone to use this tool. So other than that, this is how exactly I make money on Bybit. And if you don't know how to set orders and stuff like that, I made a video on this channel explaining how exactly you can trade on Bybit. So if you get a signal from heavy crypto indicator, when it, like right here, it says buy, meaning that you're gonna be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up or any other crypto asset is going up, and meaning that you're gonna have to go long. And when you get a signal from heavy crypto indicator right here, when it says sell, you're gonna be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going down, and you're gonna be selling. And click this button where it's written short. So this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to show you a trick and a quick way to make money right now using derivatives, and this is actually like the most profitable way to make money in crypto, and it's fast. And if you're trying to grow a small account, make sure you use these tools, because they're gonna help you a lot throughout your whole journey of trading. So if you want to learn more about these tools, I'll leave a link in the description below for a video that I made and explained the whole thing about the tools. But other than that, you can also get these tools. I'll leave a link in the description below. In the description, at the very top of the description, that's where you can be able to get the tools. And if you want to contact me, I'll leave my Telegram group and my Telegram as well in the description. And good news is, make sure you join our WhatsApp channel, and that's where I'll be updating you guys, posting my trades. You can cover my trades and everything, and whatever I'm doing when it comes to crypto. So this is, my name is Arthur. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how exactly you can be able to make money online with derivatives trading. But other than that, I'll send you the video. Love and peace, my friends.